Hi, good afternoon. My name is Andrea Boggs, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to toggle stuff in React. Um, whoa, if the birds let me, if the birds let me, big if. So let's see. I just erased my screen because I want to prove that I can do this from scratch. Are you guys okay? I'm recording, you know. Are you guys okay? I want some more coffee too. Yes, I want some more coffee, but I already had a lot of coffee. So I don't think I need to have more coffee at this moment. Okay, so from here we can do RFCE or RAFC. Let's do RAFC like that. Gives us the basic um, setup, and actually it even gives us the import statement, so we don't need to write it twice. And then from here, let's go ahead and give a class name of, hey, guys, please, you guys want to come closer and watch? I can bring you closer. So we can do toggle, and then I think we already have it set up. Yeah, so we'll just leave the CSS as it is here. Go back here. We're basically going to have to create one state hook in order for this to work. And if you don't know what a state hook is, this is how it looks. Const, we're just going to put the word text, or let's make it something, we could make it like enter, and we'll do set enter. And we'll say equals use state. And then for the state, we could either have Booleans, which is true or false. We could have a number. Why are you guys so mad at me? This is like my 5th time, I know. So we could have a number. We could have null, N-U-L-L. We could have, which is like nothing. Or we could have a string, or I think that's the 4 data types, I think. Maybe I'm forgetting one. So we're going to use a Boolean and we're going to set it to true. And then, or how about we'll change this to toggle, set toggle, set toggle. So that's basically the standard naming convention for when you're making a state hook. It's going to be enter, set toggle, exit, set exit, show, set show, hide, set hide. That's pretty much the standard. And just to be clear, the toggle refers to a variable. And then the second item, called set toggle, is a function that you use to make adjustments to that variable. So if we want to set toggle to false, the way we would do that is use the set toggle function. For example, I might have to record this whole thing over because they're really being bad. You guys, what? You want millet? You want me to get you more millet? I can do that. Birds should not live in cages. It's really not fair. So set toggle, and then they want to fly. Actually, I haven't let them out in days because we just came back to the new apartment and it's not set up for bird poo everywhere. So set toggle. And then this is the magical part. And so we're going to do the opposite of toggle. So that's going to make it false. And you have to put this anonymous function piece inside there because otherwise it will run this function when the page loads, but we only want it to run when the user clicks. So from here, this is kind of tricky. You have to have everything inside of some type of a tag, inside of one tag. It can be a div tag, it can be a paragraph tag, it can be a legend tag, it can be anything you want, but it has to be inside of a tag. If you're going to do more than one thing, which we are, and we'll do a button, and inside the button, we're going to put, well, we already know the class name is big, oops, emoji. Isn't that right? Yeah, big emoji. So then we go here. We're going to do Control I. Let's do heart eyes. Okay. File, save all. The reason that my shortcuts work is because I have these extensions, ES7 and the emoji sense. See, and then this one. So those are the extensions that you would need for the shortcuts that I've been doing. Okay, so let's go back here and we're pretty much finished. So what's going to happen is we're going to see the word toggle. And then when we click the word toggle, it's going to show this emoji, but we first need to create the logic to make that possible. So we're going to go ahead and put this inside parens, and we're going to make a condition, like only show this if this is true. So we're going to say if toggle is false, if that's true, and if there's a piece of code after this double ampersand, so if both of these things are true, if toggle is false, and if this piece of code exists, then render that piece of code to the screen. And that is basically how you do a toggle method. So we're going to, oops. So we're going to go check what's going on here. Oops. Oh, my bad. Okay, so how about we just run npm start. And then as that opens up, it says use state is not defined. Oh, that's a very simple thing to fix. So we're going to go back here. We're going to add use state. And that's all it's asking us to do. And if we return to the local host, there we go. But our CSS isn't working. However, if we toggle, we see we get the picture. But you know why it's not working? Because that's correct. We totally forgot to import our CSS file. So right here, we're going to go import toggle.css. Now the whole thing should work perfectly. Let's go back here. Oh, you guys, they're trying to fly. Okay, I got to let them out of the cage. Oh my God, that was so cute. Okay, you guys want to come out? Now they're being shy. The door's open, but we'll see if they come out. So let's go back here. And then everything should be working. Class name toggle. Oh, that's the problem right there. So let's change this to toggle. Oops. Oops. Now if we go here, oh, perfect. There you go. So there's your toggle effect. Oops. Oops. Well, I tried to put it in the middle, but that didn't work. Let's try one more thing.